Hello everyone, welcome to It's About Everything. So I'm actually preparing for a video that I'm going to upload tomorrow. So that video is about a 12-volt battery charger. Now you can see on the screen I'm using two 12-volt transformers. Now you might be thinking that why I am using two transformers as I'm building a 12-volt battery charger. I only need one transformer. That's because I'm going to series both of these transformers, and I'm going to use linear regulators to charge the battery, and all the components required to make this charger. Actually, I'm salvaging from old CFL bulbs or amplifier circuits. So the diode bridges and all the capacitors to smooth the output I'm using from old circuits. That's why it took a little bit more time to build. So this is what I am doing, and you can see the circuits are in a very bad condition, but still I'm opening up all these components to build it. So the main theory here of operation of this circuit is that a lead acid battery needs about 14 volts to fully charge. The float charge voltage is actually 14 volts. So I'm going to use two linear regulators here. One is 5 volt and the other one is a 9 volt linear regulator, and then I'm going to both the linear regulators are going to be connected with each of these transformers, and then I'm going to series the output of that regulator, which will make 14 volts, and then I'm going to connect it to the battery to charge it. Now the transformer on the right side is a 1 ampere transformer, and the transformer on the left side is a little bit more than I believe 1.75 ampere. I've not tested it yet, so I'm not sure about its capacity actually. So I'm going to limit the current using a resistor, limit the current output from the regulators using a resistor, so that they don't overheat. And I'm also going to connect these linear regulators, fix these linear regulators on a heatsink. So stay tuned for the video that I'm going to upload tomorrow. So hope you enjoyed this video. So thanks a lot. I'll see you tomorrow.